Did you really think I was going to cut all my hair off? Well, you were wrong. Don't ever judge a book by its cover. Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on all the products that I splurged on over the winter break. So I have two packages from Forever 21, and I can't turn them the other way because they have my address on it. And then I have a box from Ulta. Let's get started. So we're going to start with my Forever 21 packages. Okay. So the first thing we have is a white bodysuit, and I'm going to open it. And it has snap buttons on it. Hopefully this will. So we have that. And this was for $12.90, but I think I got it on sale. I don't remember. And then we have another bodysuit, and it's in small, and this one was for $14.90. And I definitely didn't get this one on sale. Ooh, this is pretty. So it's like daisy print, and it has like a little wrap mock top like this. Ooh, and it has like little ruffled sleeves. So that's nice. Let's go into the other package because I bought them at separate tapes. So the next shirt from the new package that I got is this sunflower. I'm not even holding it right. It's like a sunflower cropped blouse, as you can see, and it has like a button right here, and I got it for a small for $19, well almost $20, so that's that. Oh, and then I have my jewelry that I got. I mean, it's nothing really special. Okay, so from the jewelry part of this package, I have this sun and moon layered necklace, and this was $3.90. And I got this because like I needed something to make my basket like 15% off, so this is the only reason why I got it. So that's nice. Another one. And this is also another layered necklace, and it's just, I don't even know what these are, but oh, there's a star, there's a moon, and there's a sun. So it's like basically the same thing but with 3 layers. And then that was it. That was it from Forever 21. And then now we have the long-awaited Ulta box. So let me get my scissors. Can't believe people actually watch this. ASMR opening a box. Alright. Okay, so I got tea tree oil, and this is from the Body Shop, and I got it for $6. It was $8.50. No, it was $10, and then it was marked down to $8.50, and it was marked down to $6. So I was like, you know what? I'll just might as well buy it now. So I wanted this for my skincare routine because I have blemishes and stuff like that. So I have that. And I got individual lashes from the brand Andrea, and I only got this so like my 30% off coupon would work, and this was $1.99, so I was like, you know what, I'll just throw it in, because my basket had to be a certain total for me to get the coupon, so I was just like, you know what, why not? So I got these. I mean, I kind of wanted individual lashes anyways, but yeah. So I have this. Then I have two Freeman peel-off gel masks, and this is the Revitalizing Pomegranate Peel-Off Gel Mask, and it instantly purifies and refines pores for youthful skin. And yeah, this doesn't really do anything, just like, I don't even know, I just got it, because why not? And then this one is the Brightening Green Tea and Orange Blossom Mask, and it instantly refines pores, helps improve dark spots for radiant skin. And actually, I do know why I got this, because I have normal to dry skin. Well, I have like combination skin, and this is for normal to combo skin, and this is for all skin types, and these are the only two ones that were for both, so I was like, you know what, why not? So I got these two things. So yeah, okay. Thanks for watching my first YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below any more videos that you want me to do. If you want me to do a skincare routine with my new skincare products, just comment down below. Or if you want me to do a makeup tutorial or anything like that. Thank you guys for watching.